Hello, this is Joan of Health, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. In this video, we're breaking down the ins and outs of fats and oils in cooking, from the different types of fats, such as saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats, to their smoke points and health benefits. We're also going to cover everything that you need to know to make informed decisions in the kitchen. We'll also dive into the science behind how different fats affect our health, including their impact on heart disease, cholesterol levels, and inflammation. So whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting to explore the world of healthy cooking, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn about the essential role that fats and oils play in our diets and how they affect our overall health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, and welcome to the tutorial where I talk about fats. So, first of all, are all fats the same? So, there's three kinds of fat in the foods that we eat. We have unsaturated fats, saturated fats, and then hydrogenated fats, which are also known as trans fats. So, unsaturated fats are the healthiest fats because they're liquid, they're smooth, soft, and flexible. And saturated fats are also healthy and can be eaten every day, but not too much. Portion control, as you know, is very important. Saturated fats are stiffer than unsaturated fats. Both unsaturated and saturated fats are healthy because they're found naturally in foods that grow on the farm or swim in the ocean. Fat is a part of every cell in your body. So for a body to be healthy, it needs to have both saturated and unsaturated fats. Hydrogenated fats are man-made fats that are unhealthy for the body because they've been chemically created in a laboratory and are not found naturally in nature. Hydrogenated fats are also called trans fats, and these fats start out as a liquid, but a process called hydrogenation is used to change their chemical structure, and then what that does is that makes them solid at room temperature. So the chemical process turns healthy liquid fat, which is unsaturated fat, into an unhealthy solid fat, trans fat, which can clog your arteries and put you at risk for high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Isn't that awful? Hydrogenated fats are cheap to make, and these fats are used for cooking in most restaurants, including fast food chains. They don't spoil or turn rancid, so the foods that are made with these fats can last a long time on the shelf at the supermarket, but they can also harm your body. Hydrogenated fats are not good for your body, period. Most restaurants are starting to not use them because there's been some laws put in place to ban them. But here's something that one child said. These bad fats make the food last longer, but they won't help your body last longer. Leave it to a kid, to be honest, huh? So let's talk about hydrogenated fats a little bit more, just so that you have an idea. So hydrogenated fats are margarine, fried foods such as fast food hamburgers and french fries, what they make those in, many sauces and seasonings, and processed foods such as chips, crackers, imitation cheeses, cake, pastries, and other snack foods all have hydrogenated fat. So now let's talk about what kind of fat should we eat. So we don't need a no-fat diet. We need a right fat diet. Helping a child grow and keep their brain and heart healthy is much easier when they eat foods and snacks that contain healthy fats. The younger the child, the more fat they need in their diet because their brain is growing rapidly. Unsaturated fats are the healthiest, but most people don't eat enough of these every day. The body needs both saturated and unsaturated for a healthy diet. Here's some examples of foods that naturally contain unsaturated and saturated fat. Fats are seeds and nuts like pumpkin and sesame seeds, nut butters, walnuts and avocados, my favorite, and also fish, especially salmon, flaxseed meal, which is ground flax seeds, and also olive oil. Now, let's learn how can we tell which fats are good for us. So fats such as avocados, fish, and nuts are better for you than the fats that are found in foods like French fries. Fats from plants and seafood are better for you than fat that comes from animals such as pork and beef. So here's a quick way to identify whether or not a fat is healthy. Fats that are liquid at room temperature are generally better for you than fats that are solid. For example, at room temperature, margarine is solid and olive oil is liquid. To be clear, all fats naturally found in foods that come from the sea or flourish, on the land are good fats. The fake fats that are made in laboratories, like the hydrogenated oils, they're obviously bad. And sometimes it's an excess of good fats, too much saturated animal fat that can be bad for you. So foods with lots of fat taste good, don't they? All right, I will see you on the next tutorial. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.